Guys, you know what hasa dogi hana wega. Imagine a minister of the gospel with artificial temporary dreadlocks. No. Ndio naambia Magi hata kaa poa asieke hizo. Hii video haikuwa ya Magi. Oneni inasomeka aje? Kama mnasoma vizuri. This is a gift. I'm just from church. So this is February. Before I went for Christmas, we were supposed to have a gifting Sunday at our church. That was on 22nd of December. But I wasn't there. I was at home. So when I came back to church, my gift was intact. See? So this is my gift. Let's open together. It's called unboxing. Let me see what it is. But what is inside here is not as important as the fact that the person decided to gift me. The thought is what matters. The thought, the willingness, the loving of gifting me, the wanting of gifting me is what matters. It does not matter what it is. You can gift me a Mercedes Benz. You can gift me a pair of earrings. But those two will not matter as the fact that you gifted me. That is Christ in me. Let's see. Let me look for scissors. I'm back. Sijui ni nini iko hapa. Inaweza kuwa. It can be anything. But whatever it is, I love it. Kai Mathan. It could be anything, guys. It could be anything. Okay. It has been sealed. It's a good thing. Hey. Hey. Ta-da! This is what I was gifted. A Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Lotion. It's so good. I love Vaseline products. And a Luron anti-perspirant deodorant. I've never used this. It will be my first time. I'm so happy. I love them. And I'm grateful to whoever gifted me this. She's not here. I've already passed my gratitude. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I love you.